Hey Stampers, Diane Divich here with DDStamps.com, and today I'm just here to let you know that I've rescheduled my workshop that I was supposed to do last night for Saturday morning at 10 o'clock Mountain Time, which then is 9 o'clock Pacific, 11 o'clock Central, 12 o'clock Eastern, noon lunchtime on the East Coast. And I have everything's lined up and we're ready to go, and I know that Saturday is not normally a day that I do these, but my schedule is pretty jam-packed over the next couple weeks, and this is probably going to be the easiest way for me to do it. The nice thing is that they are taped, and so that people can watch them anytime. And I will have question and answer times. I'm showing some tips and tricks and techniques in the videos. And as you can see, I even cleaned up my stamp room last night for the big event. But we did lose Abby yesterday. Those of you who have been around and watched my online workshops, I always saw her sitting in the back, under the table usually, or trying to get out the door. But she's a big part of our life. We love her dearly. She had a great life. And anyway, life goes on. And we will see you tomorrow morning at 10 o'clock. Great. Talk to you soon. Bye.